Hello, everybody. I am live. It's Marilyn PV, and y'all come and say hello. And if you want, share this out. I love the shares. How is everybody today? I am going to show y'all a Valentine look. I got this new palette in today, and I don't know if it's showing up. These are like pinks and mauves and burgundies are like in the pink line, kind of pink and plums. But this is the going colors, and we're going to do it in this new palette. My other palette, this is called the Beloved Palette Volume 2, and Volume 1 was last year, and it's my all-time favorite. It sold out, and anyway, I couldn't wait to get this because I wanted to show y'all. And I'm going out tonight. Me and my husband has a couples retreat this evening at our church. So here we go, you guys. We're going finally to this palette. And I haven't decided what I'm going to do first. But with this palette, you get brush. I'm trying to find the brush you get with. Okay, this crease brush, and I love this crease brush, you guys. Love it, love it, love it. So you get this crease brush with this palette, okay? So, let's see. We're going to go into Wistful. It's this color right here. I tell you what, let me go ahead and put some eye primer on. I forgot to do that. Let me go ahead and put some eye primer on, and then we'll begin, because I forgot to do this. And you only need just a little bit. And I'm going to go into that dotting, which is white. And we're just going to do this all over as like a base. This is just a pure white, y'all. And this palette, to me, was built for mature women because it only has all these, this, and this is matte. So, dotting, irreplaceable, and wistful is matte. Okay? There's one shimmer in here, and it's called Wooed. So we're going to woo ourselves. So we're going to put this white on our lids. And this is a makeup artist's dream, to have white powder. Because they love putting white on the lids and the eye as a base. So we got it in this palette. So I'm just using the brush that comes with it. And as y'all are joining me, let me tell you, if you get this and this comes in the kudos this month, along with a blusher. And if you get that, then I am donating my time. Once you get your kit, then you let me know, and we'll do a one-on-one video session in Messenger privately, and I'll show you how to do it for your own eyes. So I've already, well, y'all already seen my brows. Let's go into Wistful, and we're gonna still use this brush. This is Wistful, and it's this is a matte. All right, so let's start over here. And just go right here in the corner of this eye. So pretty. We're going to bring this over, y'all, just a little bit. Looky there. Isn't that beautiful? Pretty, 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 pretty. Like I said, I just got this palette in the mail today. Just come in the mail. So I am playing with these colors. So I have not played around at all. This is the first time. Wistful, y'all. Wistful. So I'm still working with it. I'm building it up. I go light and then keep darkening it up as I go. Because you can't take away. Alright, so now let's go into Irreplaceable. This one right here. So we're going to go right here. Irreplaceable. Just like this. And let's bring it right here in the corner. Woo, boy. Oh, my word, y'all. I hope y'all can see this because this is beautiful. I'm going to be a hot to trot tonight. Hot to trot. Let's put that color in. Oh, my word. It's so pretty. All right. We're just going to put this in. Over in the corner. This is Irresistible. Whoo, I'm going to be irresistible tonight. Woohoo! Y'all, me and my husband's going to be married 19 years come April. I met the dream guy. You can't find guys like mine, hardly. They're far and in between. He is. I love him to death. Took me a couple times, but he's mine. I'm never letting go. He treats me good. All right. So I'm going to go back into this Wistful. We're going to go right back over and blend. I love this brush, you guys. Y'all notice I'm just using this brush. I love this brush. This is a new brush, so y'all are getting the new thing. So basically, this kudos you're getting, I'm basically getting this free. If you want to kind of look at it that way. So anyway, this colors is pretty, you all. I can't wait to use this one. This little shimmery brush, guys. Because, y'all, this is the best brush, too. Because if you want it to look like a makeup artist sprinkled fairy dust all over your eyes and got hold of your eyes, use this brush. Because it just does the blending perfectly. That other brush does too, but I like this one and I like finishing up with it. Yep. Oh, this is what I got so far. What y'all thinking? Alright, so I'm going to go to a flat brush, you guys, and I am going to use my rose water. I'm going to use my rose water. I'm going to use a flat brush. I'm using the rose water just to dampen it, because when you want something to pop, you either wet it, and I like using that rose water to do that. So here we go. This is a shimmer. So I'm just putting this on the lid. Right here. Y'all look. It's like fairy dust. It's beautiful. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Y'all look at that. Ain't it pretty? Y'all, these colors are on trend right now. So you need what knows what they're doing when they put these palettes out. They do. Oh, oh, I got an idea for the lip. We're going to use this on our lip. Y'all want to see? We are. I'm blend this out just a little bit. And I think I want to darken this corner just a little bit more because I'm going out for the evening, so I want to kind of smoke it. So I'm just poking it in and blending. Poking in and blending. Just swirling. Y'all look. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, ma'am. Love this look. Y'all like this? I love it. But we're going to use Sisterly today. Sisterly today. And I'm going to use my, we're going to use this brush that I just got in. It's the stippled, and it's so soft. Soft. Blusher brush. So we're going to just go right here on the apples of our cheeks and brush back. Y'all look at that. Pretty, 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 pretty. Then we're going to finish our eyes. Finish our eyes. Finish our eyes. My finishing our eyes, I am going to use, I had my liquid, there it is, my Dip and Draw. My Dip and Draw liner. And I got to use my compact because I'm blind as a bat. We're going to line our eyes. I'm just going to get close to these lashes as possible. And then, at the end, I'm going to pop it up. And then triangle it down. Just like so. Mascara. Y'all. It took me 30 years to find a mascara I love. And this Epic is I love. And y'all, I'm not kidding you. This is the best mascara I have ever used. And if y'all don't believe me, you go and try it. And if you don't love it as much as I do, then you can get your money back in 14 days. No ifs, ands, or buts. You can get your money back. No joke. Love this stuff. Actually, any of the makeup, you can get your money back in 14 days. Okay, so I'm put like one coat on the bottoms. I don't go to town on it. But before I do that, I think I'm going to go up underneath my eye. And I use a liner brush. See my liner brush? And I think I'm going to use, this, which is irreplaceable. Yeah. Irreplaceable. We're going to go up here and join it together. Because I don't put eyeliner up underneath my eye. I think it's kind of out of the trend now. It's putting the eyeliner up underneath the eye. So use your eye palettes, y'all. Your eyeshadow. Y'all, these things are primer infused. And when you use eye primer, it just makes it even more prettier. So, and with primer infused, it means it's going to last all day. I don't have that much flaking, especially when I tap the powder off. It doesn't flake. All right, y'all, this is a powder lipstick. It's got little molecules in there, and it just bursts. And this is like the Defend Your Innocence lipstick, and it is still available. I checked before I come on. And it just like, I don't know what, it just like, it's powder. Y'all see that? And it just like busts on your lips into a moisturizer, like lipstick. And it stays all day. And this is a pretty color. So once it dries, but look, y'all, I'm gonna, you know that the powder that I just used, that one this, watch this, y'all. I'm putting it on my fingers. Oh my Lord. Look what it does to it. Pretty. Isn't it pretty? It's beautiful. Okay. So there you go. There's my look.